Look around you, see the diversity, the complexity, the sheer abundance of life. Every creature, every plant, every grain of sand, seemingly separate and unique. Yet beneath the surface of this perceived separation lies a profound and undeniable truth. We are all connected. We all emerge from the same source. Imagine a single flame, its light giving birth to countless sparks. Each spark, though individual, shares the same fiery essence. Similarly, all of creation springs from a single infinite source. We are those sparks, each a unique expression of the same fundamental energy. This is the law of unity. It is the invisible thread that binds us all, the silent symphony that plays out in every atom, every leaf, every heartbeat. Understanding this law is to grasp the very essence of existence, to recognize the divine dance of life in all its forms. It is to awaken to the truth that we are not isolated fragments, but rather integral parts of a magnificent, interconnected whole. Science tells us that we are made of the same stardust that forms distant galaxies. Our bodies are literally composed of the remnants of ancient stars, echoing the universe's grand narrative within our very cells. But the connection runs deeper than our physical origins. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we consume, all are shared resources, constantly exchanged in the intricate web of life. Our actions, no matter how small, create ripples that extend far beyond our immediate perception, impacting the delicate balance of the ecosystem we inhabit. Recognize the profound interdependence that characterizes our world. We are not separate from nature, but rather an inseparable part of its intricate tapestry. Just as a spider web trembles with the slightest touch, so too does the web of life respond to every action, every thought, every choice we make.